You know, say come in like oxygen.
Wait, what?
More on breed you.
Oh, you mean people I don't know says your boy Yaadman Etan, and can you believe it? Another video is brought to you by unaheritage.store. People that make sure say click the link in the description below for order on a very own shirt, sweater, pullover, hoodie, whatever on a want, all bathing suit they in unaheritage.store. And people them hold on. I know. Jamaica is not the only country in the Caribbean, but don't worry. Unaheritage.store has African and other Caribbean countries in the store as well on their merchandise, so people that make sure click the link in my description and use the promo code Yaadman Etan and make an order. And remember, for rep on heritage, and we're on heritage. Procreating, starting a family, breeding. The thing about family planning is usually when, people, especially nowadays in 2019, them feel as if, it's time to have, offspring. It is time to, give your genes to the next set of individuals for the next generation. You know them way there? Yeah. I'm trying to keep this as clean as possible so I don't lose my ads on YouTube, alright? But yes, we're talking about family planning. But it's not just any type of family planning. We're talking about Jamaican family planning. Usually, when people talk about family planning, it's usually coming from a married couple or people who are just financially stable enough to have pitney. But you see, in Jamaica, it's very different sometimes. Usually, having a child is like a rite of passage or a coming of age. Coming of age. So you see in Jamaica, sometime when some man get to a certain age, them just say, yo, dog, say, time for me have a pitney, dog. Yo, dog, say, it's about them time then, dog, so we need to have a youth, dog. Yeah. I get too old, dog, we need to have a pitney, dog.
For real, man.
Yeah, so I'm single, dog, but boy, if you find out where you're going to dog, I'm not even business about the girl, dog. I just want a pitney, dog. And the age may vary depending on where them live, but me know for a fact, more while when man in Jamaica get around the age of 30, they want have a pitney, they want have a youth. And what's funny about this, them say they want have a pitney, but them not a woman. So how would they go about, selecting a woman, because, say them are gonna need a woman to have a pitney. So now the process is to find a woman for have your pitney. And it's funny because enough Jamaican man do business about a woman, them just want to say them have pitney. Them just want to make sure that them have them name right down from birth certificate. So here's some of the things that Jamaican men think about when they're selecting them baby mother. They may choose the uptown girl with enough money, but here's a problem with the uptown girl with enough money. Them hard for breed. Them just hard for breed. For whatever reason, you just can't breed the uptown girl them with enough money. No, Jamaican men would usually pick the pretty girl them because, boy, if them pretty, that must mean them can make pretty baby, right? But for some reason, pretty girl also hard for breed. Now, here's the thing. Now, you see the ghetto girl them, boy. You touch them neck back one time, boom, belly. And the warm girl them, boy. You look pon a warm girl too hard, boom. You look pon a warm girl too hard one time, bam, belly. So unfortunately, what happens is that a lot of Jamaican men, them just say, what? What's I gonna try my luck pon any girl? Them enjoy the process, is what I say, and them just decide to say, yo, any pretty girl, if she can't breed, she can't breed. So here is some actual footage of what it's like in the streets for a Jamaican man. Yo, dog, I see that, dog. Fine, my baby mother. Psst. Psst. Hey! Hey, my girl, look here now. Yo, future baby mother, look here now. Yo, baby, look here now. Yo, baby, look here now, man. You know, see me, I call you all day.
What do you want?
You know, say come in like oxygen.
Wait, what?
More on breed you.
Yo, what the Oh, is it a boy or girl?
It's a junior.
Yo, future baby mother number 2. Look here now.
Yo, run!
Why? Sometimes some man find some woman who already have pitney for sure say them can breed and just run in and breed them again. Oh my gosh, what a cute baby. Want another one? No, the reality is a lot of us are here because of situations like that. And there's nothing to be ashamed about. However, people then please make sure say be responsible with breeding. Just because you can't breed don't mean you must take a breath. You get what I mean. People them just be responsible and take care of your pitney them. Alright, later.